What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today I want to talk to you guys about a meme coin here that really caught my attention. I have not been invested in this, but I know that all the other YouTubers are like, Bonk is the meme coin for this season. That's what they've been saying. Bonk to the moon. Bonk is the one this season, like how Dogecoin and Shiba Inu had their run. This season, it's Bonk. Now, I didn't really believe them, and I didn't buy into this until I saw what just happened here. Bonk is up 47% on the day. That is insane. That is ridiculous. And that comes after a whole month of rallying. Like this thing on the month, you're up like a 7x. If you guys got into this, you're up a 7.5x if you guys got into this a month ago. That is absolutely bonkers. Bonkers. It's totally insane, guys. And this actually came after this right here, this Coinbase listing. I guess they announced that Bonk is listed on Coinbase, or is going to be listed on Coinbase. So that's what I guess was the catalyst to lead this thing for this gigantic 47% run. Now, I'm not advising you to buy this. Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. But of course, I have to recognize this. I can't ignore this and say nothing because I can't. You know what I mean? Like, I've done my analysis and I thought, okay, maybe it has the potential to run. It could have the potential to run because it's gaining the traction of all the YouTubers talking about it. And now it's on Coinbase. And as you can see, if you pull this open, it says that it's the third largest meme coin on Coinbase now. So that's huge as well, too. One tool you guys can use to see what the potential is for this thing is that if you want to compare it to Dogecoin, if this is going to be the meme coin of this run, Doge's market cap right now, it is a 15x if Bonk went to Doge's current market cap. And if this is going to be the meme coin of this run instead of Dogecoin, we can see that this thing could do a 15x. Now, if you want to talk the Dogecoin's all-time high, we're talking a 99x. So where Dogecoin actually went, the top of Dogecoin, we're talking a 99x if Bonk were to do that. Now, this tool is really cool. You could do the same thing here with Sheeb. You could pop Sheeb into this tool and Shiba Inu right here. And you could say right now a 6.5x this is from Sheeb's current market cap, or a 46x from Sheeb's all-time high. So Sheeb was smaller than Dogecoin. Sheeb didn't explode to the highest heights like Dogecoin did, but we're talking still a 46x. If this is the meme coin of this run, you guys could see basically 5 to 100x on your money. Maybe this thing could do 100x, and I'd say that it has the chance to do 100x, better chance if it pulls back. Like, don't buy the top always of these things. Like, maybe if you guys could get back in this area, get back in like the 10 area, I'd love to say you can get back down here, but the way that this crypto market is moving, you're getting locked out of that. We're not getting the chances to get into these tokens later. Like, any procrastinators, the people who don't want to get in, like, maybe I'll buy that next week, they're getting screwed. And I know, because my best friend, my dad, my sister, my fiance, and so many people that I know decided to wait, and they got locked out on tokens that they really wanted to buy, and now they're at prices that they don't want to buy them at. They don't want to buy AVAX at $40, even though it can go to $400. They're just mad they didn't get in at 20 or 30. See what I'm saying? And so don't be a dummy like that. This is on Solana chain. Solana chain has been kicking ass this season. Solana is going to do really huge things, guys. So I would pay attention to this, and especially if you guys like Solana, and especially if you guys are into the whole meme coin thing, you guys definitely can check this out for yourselves. And maybe even if you don't get a big bag of Bonk, like $100 or $200 worth of Bonk, if this thing did 100x, we're talking $200 times 100x. That's what, $20,000, I believe. Pretty sure, yeah. That's a lot of money. Like, we're talking, you know, you guys put $200 in this and see your 99x. You're talking you got 20 grand. You guys got 20 grand. That's if this did this. If this did this 100x right here off of a measly $200 investment. So we're talking at a very low risk, just a piece of a paycheck, maybe a day of work. Some people make 200 in a day at their job, at a regular job. If you can make 200 in a day at your job and then just let it sit there and wait and perhaps turn it into a large amount of money, you know, like, we're talking that same 200, even if you just got the 6.5x, the lowest of where Sheeb is right now on the market cap scale, we're still talking 1,300. We're still talking you made $1,100 profit off of just a meme coin, off of just holding something that's in your Coinbase. It's on Coinbase now, meaning you guys can get to it through Coinbase. definitely check this out, guys. Go through here, look at it all. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research and maybe dollar cost average into this thing if you guys are going to buy it because of the gigantic run. I wouldn't buy all of your bag right here, because if it pulls back like this, you're fucked. So if you have 1,000, maybe put in like 200 here. Maybe it'll go down here. You can put 200. Maybe you can put 200. Or that could work opposite. You could end up having to buy all your 200s up here. So, you know, do what you will with that. I hope you guys got value. Smash that like button if you got value. Subscribe to the channel. And I got a Patreon for only $5. You guys can get into coins like this before they explode, and you can make some serious cheddar. I love you. Take care.